How to buy basic attention token on Etoro. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to buy the basic attention token on Etoro app in easy fast method. So first thing, we go to Etoro and this is the home page. Now you go down and choose the watch list option down below, and after that it will take you to this page and search for the bat, and here is the bat. Click on BAT, its basic attention token, and click on this blue option here, trade, and then choose the amount of money that you want to invest on this token. After you choose, just click open trade and then choose your payment method. Here you have many options here, choose whatever you want and then go down and click on deposit. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching till the